Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonna's Kitchen. Today, we will make New York style double chocolate chip cookies. Let's get baking! We will need 1 1/2 cup of plain flour, 1 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips, or you can also use milk chocolate, 1 cup of cake flour, half cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup of white sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of cold unsalted butter, and 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl of stand mixer, add the butter, brown sugar, white sugar, and cream them together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. Then, add the eggs and continue mixing. Add in the plain flour, cake flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, corn flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and continue mixing. Add in the dark chocolate chips and mix until just combined. Now, cover the dough with cling film and chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, weigh the dough about 120 grams each. And shape it into a ball. If you have extra chocolate chips, put some on top of each dough. Then, let this chill in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. After chilling, bake these in a preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 11 minutes or until the surface is dry and cookies looks almost set. After baking, allow the cookies to cool about 15 to 20 minutes in the tray so that they can set. And here's our finished product! These cookies are giant, gooey, rich, and decadent. I hope you're going to try this recipe. This is what it looks like inside. Look at that. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!